Just keep it real.
This is for y'all real people out there. This is for my people.
Alright, welcome back to the Nostalgic 90s. It's been a while, but today I went and I got some trick or trade Pokemon cards. This is a bundle, and then my lady got me some of these for my birthday. So we're gonna do a card pack opening, and you guys know I got some pretty hit or miss luck. I am at my mom's house right now, so it can get pretty chaotic with the volume, but I'll try to do the best that I can and minimize the audio and distraction, as you can hear my kid in the background. So it is what it is. But yeah, we're about to get into it. So I'm gonna open up this because I've never seen these before, and we'll just see what it looks like. So trick or trade. So these are the packs. I mean, honestly, to me, it's a waste of foil, but whatever. Alright, so first card pack opening. Oh wow, these are crazy cool. He's got the little holographic Halloween Pikachu on it. That's awesome. Oh. So, I don't think I have enough. Wow, I like that. I like that a lot. That's crazy. Let's go. So, before I move forward, I'm going to grab some plastics. I got my hard shell plastics and I got my soft shell plastics. So I got my soft plastics.
He just went crazy. Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and put these in here, and then I'll check the value of them in a little bit. So that's
30 seconds.
That's really cool. That holographic. Can you put your light?
My light, yeah.
Sorry guys, I forgot to get my my GoPro light, but that's what it looks like.
Should put it closer to the camera.
Look at that. That's awesome. So second card pack opening. Sorry, we're making brownies and everything today.
Should I put like 5 more minutes? Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's awesome. So we got this one with a jack-o'-lantern.
Wow.
That's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, these Halloween, I might have to go get a few more of these. These are really cool.
How many came in here?
I don't know. It
40
says
mini packs.
40 mini packs, so that's 120 cards. Alright, so so 120 cards for 20 bucks. Not bad. Alright, so, and to my knowledge, this is the first time, this is the first time they ever did this. Wow, so I'm going to put this one back on top. Oh!
Sorry, the camera's gonna shake a little. That one's
So,
nice.
let me grab some more plastics. Guys, these are so cool. I'm really stoked. I love that little jack-o'-lantern Pikachu. You want to see it? Look at the cute little jack-o'-lantern Pikachu they put in the corner.
That's cute. Come on, get up. Mama's water. Look, your truck is over here. You got grapes on the floor.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go. That holographic Gengar,
Let's leave it alone.
Pikachu. That's
Oh,
awesome.
I'm like, why are you giving me spit? I don't eat that shit.
Excuse me, this is a children's channel.
I'm sorry.
What? And you wonder why our kid
sorry.
cusses. She said, hey, watch it. You just said the HE double hockey stick word now, babe. And you too, edit. So far, I gotta find the other one. But guys, I might have to go back out and go get some more of these. These are sweet. Some of these, well, most of these cards I'm not really aware of. But
Yeah.
so I guess every single card comes with the Pikachu in it, or every single pack comes with the Pikachu in it. I hope I get like an ultra rare or something. That'd be sweet.
Also, too, like when my grandma passed away, and we went to the
So I'm like really in love with these card packs, guys. This is amazing. Bravo to the team that made these a reality, because I would have never have thought. Oh my god, that is so sick. Can I get your light again?
Yes, you can. Let me press the screen, make sure you see it.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, I thought that was a full holographic. So that Mewtwo is crazy.
You don't need this one?
No.
That's funny. I probably saw it
So it seems like the first card will always be a holographic. See, these cards I've never even heard of. Well, Zubat, obviously, but
You want me to look at even more? Or no?
yeah, we could look them up.
Oh, timer went off.
I just checked it.
One more time.
You know what? In the fridge, chocolate chips in there.
It's making it probably blue.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm like struggling on this one.
Oh, Lennox, no. No, baby, come here. Come here.
And it comes with 40 of these packs. So I think what I'll do is I'll switch it up. And I will open up a regular card pack right now. But you know what though? These would be really cool to give out to kids for Halloween. I didn't say I was gonna do it.
Yeah, somebody.
Yeah, somebody. But somebody, anybody. So this is Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. And,
Okay. Thank you. Don't push me away, sir.
Cool. So we're gonna go one, or I forgot, is it front to back? 1, 2, 3.
No, don't put them on the floor. Go ahead. Let's go sit down.
Okay. Wow, look at that artwork. That's awesome.
Let me put the light on it. Get it closer.
See if there's any other goodies in here. Nope.
Are you only putting covers on the holographic one?
No.
Oh.
The
Why are you so hyper?
these full hollows.
Probably the donuts.
These full hollows I'm gonna need.
Demon. Here, look, your pumpkin.
So these double hollows, I'm gonna put them in the.
You press the button. Press it. Press it. Good job. Big boy.
Sorry, trying to focus like clear on clear right now. It's not the easiest.
You could do it by yourself.
Sorry. I'm gonna sit in front of you because you're crazy.
Alright, cool. So I put these all in here.
Good job.
Now the next one is gonna be Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. Let's get into it. So nothing really interesting in that pack. Just double check. Oh.
Ooh, scared. Yes. Okay, okay. Oh. I can't take it. You say A. You say B. Here you go. Oh, the flashlight.
And this is the last bigger pack that I got, the Darkness Ablaze one.
Come here. You see your pumpkin? Wow.
So I think it was 3 behind. Nothing really good. Not out of this pack. I'm gonna take this reverse hollow, put it back here, and then I'll get a hard shell.
Let's see if we can get our monster truck to drive between these cones without knocking any of them down.
Cool. Alright, so now we're back. We're gonna be back to the regular pack openings.
Let's explore the room with our toy helicopter to see if we can find some more 3D shapes. Hey, we know that shape. That globe is the same shape as the basketball. It has no faces or edges. Do you remember what that shape is called? That's right. It's another sphere. Good job, Brainiac. Let's see. What else can we find up here?
And got another Mewtwo that's fire.
There. This soda can has two circle faces and a curved surface between them.
I remember Mew and Mewtwo were like some of the highly sought after cards
It's called
back when I was a kid. Grab some more plastic sleeves.
wasn't open. We better put that away before someone trips on it. I can see a familiar shape on the desk over there. Let's check it
I
out.
think I got this one already.
This party hat has a circle base and a pointy top. Do you know what kind of shape it is? That's right. It's another cone. Look. What's this over here? This shape looks like something we've seen.
And I remember when I was a kid that all the
And a curved surface in between.
any card that was holographic was like worth more than the regular card. Now they got holographic, reverse hollow, and you got like full hollows. It's just crazy. That's a new one. Or no, I think I got that one already.
To find something that we can use to make a ramp. I know.
Yeah, so I finally got Ghastly, Haunter, and Gengar. But I think it's only Gengar I have that's hollow. I'll have to find it.
Instead of square faces, they're rectangles. This shape is called a rectangular prism because its faces are rectangles. Hey, the transport truck's trailer is also in the shape of a rectangular prism. Cool. Okay, let's put that book on top of the Peanuts box to complete our ramp. There, that should work. Let's go, monster truck. Nice job. This is not the best landing, though. All right, now we know all sorts of 3D shapes. If you look closer,
So I feel like a lot of these are going to be duplicate.
I don't see them.
Great job, Brainiacs. You're getting so smart. Hey, Brainiacs. Click here to
Where did you find this pack at?
I think it was an urban gas station
Pretty cool.
for $20. It was at the same gas station I got the Pocky One Chip Challenges from. Oh wow, that's cool.
Excuse me. Chocolate papa. No.
Should I save some of these for the baby when he gets older?
Like one.
One?
Yeah, he already has all those in the thingy.
Okay. Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, I feel like a lot of these are gonna be duplicates.
Come on.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Come give me kisses.
Lennox, come on.
I'm gonna give you the spoon because they're gooey.
Okay.
They're gooey because of the chocolate chips.
Okay.
That's why you keep coming out.
Come on. Look. Look.
Whoa. So I'm gonna do some research with you guys here in a bit to see if there's like a limited variety of cards that they put in these bags, so I don't go out and waste my money. I wonder if this is the evolution of that one. Oh yeah. So I got the second stage, and this is the third stage. So all I would need would be the first stage, I think, or the third. I don't know. I can't even think right now.
Look how many blocks we have this time. This time there are 10 rows of 10 blocks. That's quite
Yeah, I feel like a lot of these are gonna be either dark Pokemon or psychedelic Pokemon. I feel like that's what the majority of them are. Because as you can see, there's only like one plant one, and most of these on top are psychic Pokemon. Let's see. It says, what Pokemon surprises hide inside? Halloween night is filled with frightful delight as ghostly Pokemon and their friends join the fun. Gengar, Pumpkaboo, Darkrai, Mimikyu, and a horde of other shadowy Pokemon bring tricks and treats for the spookiest celebrations of the year, and Pikachu's tagging along too.
Here.
Yeah, so it looks like these might be just the same. I'm gonna go ahead and like speed these up for you guys. If there's anything different, I'll slow down the footage. So what I'll do is I'll start opening the packs, and then we'll look at the holographics together.